What's up, guys? It's me in the game. It's Bad Aim, and today I've got another little unboxing for you. I bought it on Amazon. Picked up the Slim Combo MK470. So this comes with the Pebble, the Logitech Pebble mouse, so it's small and compact. And I have no idea how slim this keyboard is, but it looks pretty small, and it is the 10-key kind. So usually those things are as big as this box, so it'll be interesting to see how big it actually is. Picked this up on Amazon. I think it was around $60-ish, and yeah, as of the making of this video. So let's have a look at what's inside. Slim Combo MK470. Probably hear my kids and my wife in the background. They're doing their exercises. So here you go. Let's take a look. Alright, let's open this up. Got here, 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 and here. What is in the box? Ooh. So the little Logitech dongle that tend to lose those a lot. Here is the Pebble mouse and handy tip that comes off. There's a nice battery in there. Store that in here so it doesn't get lost. Ooh, peely. Yeah, this is a nice, really flat mouse if you're looking for something that's compact and travel-y. It's not the smallest mouse, but it's also not the biggest mouse. So good for small hands too, kids and stuff that into computers that use a computer. And here is the keyboard. So it's got a little weight to it, which I don't know, for me that's a good indicator of quality. So there's a surprise, it's a lot of plastic. So I wonder where the weight's coming from, because it does feel a lot heftier than those cheap little $30 keyboards. Probably just a bunch of batteries or something. So let's see. What do you do here? So this comes off. Oh, there's the battery slot. Oh, there's another little dongle storage port right there. And this is just, I don't know what that is, but you can't store anything in there because it's got that little thing, so you can't put your whatever you want to hide in there. Take out the contact, and that is that. Let's put this back on. That there. Click it in. No idea what I'm doing right now, whether this is right or wrong, but it seems right. I feel like it's supposed to go in there, like that. Maybe. There you go. It's closed, mostly. Peel the plastic. That looks better. It's bugging me the way that's not staying in there like that. Anyway, I'm sure it works fine. So that is it, folks, other than this little CPU thing of this not really clicking in properly, it seems. Oh, I see why. Look, it's broken. I must have broken it already. Broke the little clip. Or bent the little clip anyway. Just bend that back out. And now it should go. Oh. So I've never struggled this much with the keyboard before. Why? Why aren't you clipping back in? I don't understand. Hear it making clicking noises like it's locking in, but it is not. Oh, I think I got it. There you go. You gotta keep it flat. There it is. It's finally together. And it is, yeah, that's interesting. So, MK470 keyboard, Pebble mouse, M340. What else is in here? A bunch of instructions. It would be, plug that to the computer. Batteries go there, dongle goes there. Showed you the other spot in the mouse. That's it, folks. Nothing much else to see here. Logitech Slim Combo MK470. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to see more of the stuff I'm buying off of Amazon.